50x put together, but double 43 flopper. Which ones? But we were saying, natty nap. Let's double it, doubling. Oh no, we're doing it.
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
So 5x on Pachinko. I would love to go there, but I wouldn't mind going to the crazy time. So let's go to the crazy time. Are you ready? We need redemption here. Let's go. Welcome, welcome, my friends, to our beautiful crazy time bonus rounds. And yet we got another chance to get something beautiful. Okay, so let's get ready to pick the flapper. We got 3 colors. We got the green one, blue one, and we got the yellow one. Choose your color or just leave that to auto-pick option if you don't want to choose, and let's see what we get, all right? So 100 is the highest one. Let's go. Woo! Okay, someone got redemption. All right, and we got double for the green. So, okay, let's double everything. And the highest one now is going to be 200. Let's go. Woo! Okay, 200 for the green. We're obviously getting a number, and that winning number this time is number 10. So we got number 10. We got 913 round winners. Kumar K, I love you, Brigitte. Baby, you're top 3 winners, so my biggest compliments for you. And now let's go to the next one. Missing your rock star voice. A rock star voice. Okay. I love it. You're the prettiest. Oh, Mr. Kevin. Thank you. You guys are amazing. Okay, the top lot is taking a little nap. Hi, Manifest. Hello, hello. Oh, finally bonus rounds in 900. Well, last session we didn't get it this one, but now we did. So let's do it. Woo! Welcome, welcome, my friends, to our beautiful Pachinko bonus round. Ride one time, ride one time. Okay, let's see them all. Oh, I don't like this one. I'm in a weird situation with that 3x, but those are better. 40, 200 and double. Okay, let's go. Y'all, good luck. Okay, well, closer. Yeah, be careful. Be careful. No. Yeah. Oh, you guys! 200! We did it!
You will bounce the like in the next round. Bets have been up and fully open, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to No Blast. How are you guys doing? What's up? Let's go, baby. How many minutes before you leave? It's actually kind of seconds. Could be the last round. How much last coin flip? 70x, right? Yeah, bets now gonna be closed down. Let's test your leg on Pachinko. No, Pachinko. Pachinko stairs are kind of a little bit tough still. We got a cash round for the 7x, ladies and gentlemen. Bam, here and now. That's how we flow, ladies and gentlemen. That's how we roll. That's how we flow. The one and only bada beam. Bada boom, ladies and gentlemen. Back to back, another one of a 7x in the top slot. Easy does, ladies and gentlemen. Easy does. Let's take a look at a little bit of board. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look. A little bit of a massive. The board isn't too bad. It's alright. What a lever. Ladies and gentlemen, this is gonna be my last one. You feel me? You feel me? Alright, it's now the carousel. It's now the carousel. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's gonna be now your decision. It's gonna be your decision to do whatever you gotta do. You gotta pick this, or that. Auto pick is available as well, ladies and gentlemen. You know what? Do what you gotta do. There's gonna be a little bit more seconds. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Reveal the multipliers. Don't even need to look. Bada bing, bada boom. 700x right there, ladies and gentlemen. The Swaddle Bank. 24 people got that. And you know what? You know what?
Hi, I'm Michael Jackson. So the next top lot finish, that's a good one. That's a juicy one. Let's see if we can top that, huh? Let's see if we can top that.
Here we go. Feel that. Pachinko with 3x on the top slot, everybody. Let's get to it. Let go, let go, let go. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Yes, yes. We're doing it, everybody. Pachinko, ladies and gentlemen, with 3x on the top slot. Come on. Let's do it. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Well, guys, now we're hoping for some good base multis. Yeah, and I really hope, we're going to have some good ones indeed. Let's check them out first. Good board. Yes, exactly. We need a good board. 2x the lowest one. 2, 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 40, 100. Okay. I mean, let's go. 3x supplies makes it 300x as the highest one. Well, 300 definitely sounds tasty, guys. Let's try to get it. Where we dropping, boys? Seems like right over here. Well, best of luck, people. Here we go. Okay, let's check it out. Hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, we are hitting 300x multi. Ding, 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 ding. 8,103 winners in total. Player 4-5. Top winner, 19,000 euros went out there. Woo! That's what I'm.
This round, remember, everybody, I know plenty of newcomers welcome to join. Like, you know when you step outside, it's kind of like nice and chilly, and then you go back inside and you have that cozy, warm feeling. Love it. Good luck. So I also been spending a lot of time outside. Like the leaves currently are in all of those pretty colors, starting from yellow to like red and something very dark. 2x on the one up top slot. So also been feeling kind of poetic. Been starting to. Let's go to the crazy time. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, crazy time on the wheel. So let's go to the crazy time. Well, welcome. Are you ready for the multipliers? Well, let's go ahead and get them. But before we're talking multipliers, ladies and gentlemen, you have to decide whether to take the green, the blue, or the yellow flapper. 3 options standing right there in front of you. You can only choose one. Only one and only. Let's go to the 100x the could be. For the blue, 50x for the yellow, but double for the green flopper, which means all of the multipliers there on the wheel are gonna get double to potentially double the fun for us. Double the multiplier. Well, let's spin it again for that 200x now. We doubled it once, but the wheel is saying not enough. Let's double it all once more. Wow. For the green flopper, now it could be up to that 400x. Good luck. Well, we're not done doubling. Oh no, we're doing it again. Do you see that? This is getting very, very exciting, and if you're good at maths, you probably know that now it can be up to that 800x. Look! Wow, do you see it for the monster? When we go, green fluffer with 800x. Wow, congratulations all the winners, especially 2,137 of you who managed to get that 800x. Welcome back to the studio. That was fun. That was really, really fun. Congratulations all the winners. New betting time is all yours. New opportunities, new possibilities here. Had a crazy time. Let's get ready. Now the bet's been closed. I'm wishing you good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, whenever you're happy, I'm happy.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.